Hello team, I hope you're well. We're back at the Juice Bus headquarters. I've got the infamous Teejay standing next to me. He is the barista here and we are about to crack out the world's simplest salad. It's called Panzanella. It's basically, its origins are Sicily. So it's actually was always seen and is really seen as a peasant's dish, right? And what that means is that as much as this is beautifully fresh bread, what you would normally have with Panzanella is 1 day old bread. And you'd always make it so that it's a bit tougher, so like a sourdough type of bread, which is what we've got here. So other than that, it's really simple. We should be able to put this together in about 20 minutes. We've only got the one chopping board, but what I've done is we've taken tomatoes from the Tower Garden down there. I've got a Tower Farm, and in the background, I've also brought up some basil. We've also got some flat leaf parsley, and then it's simply combining ingredients to make what is an absolutely delicious dish. So I think that's it, let's crack on. Right team, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna do it in parts. So this young man here, he's going to do the bread. What we're doing is we're just literally breaking that up into chunks, and then you're soaking that in what we have here, which is a beautiful wine vinegar. So you do that, and then in the background, I'm going to make the marinade. We're then going to break down the tomatoes, and then we're going to put the whole thing together. So do that, my friend. So if you just break it into chunks and whack it into a bowl there, and then I am going to get the lot going and really try and crack that out. This is all about doing this as quickly as possible. That's why we're both doing it. This knife is slightly challenged when it comes to the sharpness perspective. It's more like let's murder than cut. We need one of those moments, and this is the one I prepared earlier. Yeah, this dish is just genius because it's so easy to produce, and actually what you're doing is you're just getting rid of leftover bread that you had from the day before. Again, it has to be the right type of bread though. If you do normal like sliced bread, it's just gonna go to mush.
That was so breadfruit.
Yeah, so it's got to be nice and hard. So, Panzanella in the bag, people. It's so damn good. I mean, literally one of the most tasty, simple, delicious Mediterranean diet types of foods that you can have. You saw how quick it was that we put this together. Honestly, it's so very, very easy. And I'm going in now.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Because I haven't. You've been. Oh,
yeah,
have you been in there?
Yeah, I've already been in there.
It's so good. It's so clean.
Yeah.
You can just feel, it just feels like I've got this massive bit of purity going through.
Exactly.
Absolutely amazing. Right, you carry on. I'm going to say goodbye. Right, that's us. Thank you very much for your time. The recipe is going to be online and at the bottom of this in the description, so carry on. If you need any instructions, please comment. We'll answer immediately. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.
See you guys. This is
so good.